Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making this beautiful Hasselback potato. Perfect side for the spring, but also for your Easter table. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. Let's cook. Okay guys, the first thing I did was I taped down 2 chopsticks on the cutting board just to make sure that they don't move, because this will help us avoid cutting the potato all the way through. Another way you can do it is holding down the sticks if you didn't have the tape, and just hold the potato as well. You want to do this about 1/4 of an inch, and then slice, and you go in, and then again you go in, but you just make sure that you don't go all the way through. This is about all we need to do. This is perfect, beautiful. So I already have done the other one. I have already set the oven for 25 degrees. It's already preheated. Now we are going to go ahead and put some oil on each one of them. I have here olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice. Just like that. You can go ahead and hold them up if you want, open them up. Be generous if you don't have an issue with the salt. And if you do, just be careful. Just put enough up to taste, and then we're gonna be putting some black pepper. Very beautiful comfort food. Just for taste, I'm gonna be putting some lemon pepper. It's a choice. This one's separated. Let's make sure we rub them well. Okay guys, this is ready to go in the oven. We're gonna roast them for about 30 to 40 minutes on 425 degrees. And then we check and we bring them out. For the sauce, we have 4 ounces of butter with parsley, nice chopped, really small. We have some thyme that we're gonna be putting in. Just go in and take the little leaves like that from the branches. Beautiful. This is nice and fresh, that's why it's taking a little longer to come out, but you guys can buy them dry. But definitely nice, fresh, give you better flavor. So I recommend you guys to try it this way. I'm using garlic powder. I'm gonna be doing about a teaspoon of garlic. Salt, up to taste. Pepper, also up to taste. We're gonna go ahead and place this on medium heat. Once the butter melts and it starts bubbling, we're gonna take it off the burner and we're gonna stir it, and that should do it. We're gonna use sharp cheese. This is cheddar. Just cut it small because we're gonna be putting those on the slices of the potato. In between the slices. Let's go ahead and stir the mixture. Look at that, beautiful. Look at those herbs, nice and green. Perfect. Well guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is what we wanted. This is what we're looking for. It's beautiful, beautiful. This is what we were looking for. Look at that. It's awesome. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up. Well, let's go ahead and put some cheese in between. I'm going to do it on every other one. You can do each one if you want. It's up to you, but normally it's good to just go this way. This is going to melt in there, and guys, I tell you, this is awesome. What a beautiful dish. Now comes the sauce. Let's go ahead and, wow, beautiful. Everywhere. You can open them if you want to make it nice and juicy and get a flavor everywhere. This is all set. We're going to put it back in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese melts and then it picks that beautiful brown color. This potato came out awesome. I would recommend you guys to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Let's try it. Wonderful. Definitely delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video, and check the next video. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next video. God bless. Let's eat.